Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Michael Holmes and I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on our lot and show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as a 2-year or 30,000 mile complimentary recommended services. Let's take a closer look. Here we have a 2018 Dodge Challenger TA392. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with keyless entry, power heated side mirrors, and lightly tinted glass. The 2018 Dodge Challenger TA392 bests its rivals in comfort, refinement, and pure retro appeal. This Challenger has 20-inch painted aluminum wheels with center caps and performance tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire with mobility kit and a tire-specific low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Challenger is in great condition. It has fully automatic halogen daytime running lamps with delay off, along with fog lights and a really nice grille and a matte black satin hood with a large hood scoop to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a very powerful 8-cylinder 6.4-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Challenger is rear-wheel drive and is equipped with an 18.5 fuel tank. Let's not forget this Challenger only has 424 miles on it. At the back of the Challenger, you can see the antenna and the sporty rear spoiler, along with dual chrome tip exhaust and a large LED brake lights. Using your key fob, you can open the trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Looking into the cargo area, you can see it's very spacious and the back seats fold down for even more space as needed. This cargo area also features concealed storage and cargo lights for packing and unpacking at night. This Challenger has a very comfortable back seat for carpooling with family and friends. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome and metal look interior accents. The drivers and passengers alike will be very comfortable in its power adjustable leather trim seating. You have a large console with storage, illuminated cup holders, and a power outlet. This Challenger is also equipped with mobile hotspot internet access, push button start, and a locking glove box, and also Apple CarPlay. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, the headlights, the trunk release, the power door locks with auto lock, and power window with one touch down. This Challenger has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, heated, and leather-wrapped sports steering wheel with on-the-wheel controls for your cruise control, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy, the power tilting and sliding moonroof. This touchscreen display is home to your Uconnect multimedia and navigation features and is paired with 6 performance speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio. It's a Sirius XM, Bluetooth, Google Android, and Apple CarPlay compatible, and it's easy to connect your devices using the USB and auxiliary ports. This advanced system even has voice activation. You also have dual zone climate controls, and everything you see here is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines making backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. And again, this vehicle is a Sparks certified vehicle, which includes a 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as the 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime preferred customer program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty, parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, a lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports. as well as the Lifetime Vehicle Exchange Program, where we will buy your car anytime. If you have any questions, please give us a call here at 888-272-5869 or visit us again at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.